What's up everyone? We're in China!
Woo! Hey everyone, what's up? We are here for the week in China. We're working on a new collection for our footwear label TWOOBS.
Doing business in China isn't like doing business anywhere else in the world. For us, we've been here 10 times now and it kind of feels like a second home to us and like we live this other life here. So we thought we'd show you a day in the life.
Our day always starts with buffet breakfast.
There are some great options, but obviously we have to bring the Vegemite.
And we usually like work during breakfast. We meet our suppliers who are the most amazing team of women. We absolutely love them.
They're so warm and also kind of really stylish. One of them usually picks us up, takes us over to their office for talking about our next collection.
Julie is the most fantastic woman ever.
She employs the whole team of women who oversee the creation of TWOOBS.
Keep working and one day you'll be famous designer.
After meeting with them, we'll head to our factory to check out the production that's going on.
It's a boutique factory run by a really sweet couple. We absolutely love getting to go there and see the incredible work environment.
After meeting with them, we drive over to Guangzhou and the first thing we do there is go for lunch. They love to lunch. It's usually a priority in our day that we spend like an hour and a half.
We eat white rice, greens, and that's pretty much it. After lunch, it's time to hit the fabric market. There are beautiful trims, beads, buttons, buckles. There's so much to look at.
This market is literally like nothing you've ever seen before. There are so many colors, so many fabrics, and it's the most fun experience ever.
While we're in China for this trip, we've been taking footage for Fashion Revolution Week, which is coming up next month. Make sure you keep an eye out for footage coming really soon. We're gonna be pulling back the curtain and showing you all about who makes TWOOBS shoes.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.
Bye.